Previously on the Horizon project, we headed south on the ICW in search of warmer weather, made some repairs to the engine, crossed the Gulf Stream, caught some dinner, and raised the quarantine flag as we approached Spanish Wells. Good morning from Spanish Wells. It's a beautiful day, a little cloudy, not hot, but perfect. And Rob is on his way to get our cruising permit so we can do some exploring today. Just a little history about Spanish Wells. Its name derived from an early explorer who found fresh water here. It's famous for its prosperous fishing fleet, which supplies well over half of the Bahamas' commercial crop of lobster, conch, and fish. It dates back to the 17th century when Eleutheran adventurers left England looking for religious freedom. So yeah, I'm excited for today and to get off the boat and have our first adventure in the Bahamas.
We're all checked in.
How much did it cost total?
Oh, 150 bucks.
That's what I thought.
Less
Okay,
than
cool.
35
Including
feet.
a fishing permit, right?
Yeah, yep. And the cruising permit is less than, or is good for 12 months if we leave and come back within 90 days.
That's what I read,
and
yeah.
we don't have to pay the $150 again.
Very nice. Well, that's more incentive to come back here.
We're on a mooring ball for last night, and then one more night tonight, and then we'll see what the weather's doing.
It's been blowing strong out of the northeast.
Yeah, I'm wondering, you know, what's going to be the secret getting through current cut.
Here we are on our way from Spanish Wells to Eleuthera. We are going to go through current cut, and we read that it's best to go through at slack tide, which will be around 3 p.m. So Rob found an anchorage right outside. So we'll wait for about 2 hours, and we can go swimming and get refreshed and have some lunch. But it'll be nice to actually go to a place that's really raw and doesn't have a lot of people and just sandy white beaches, and maybe we'll put up a hammock and just relax on the beach. So we're looking forward to it. And we're doing about 5 knots and almost getting up to 6 knots. So that's exciting.
Welcome to our galley, where tonight we are making summer rolls with the mahi we caught outside of the Gulf Stream, with a little bit of coconut oil, salt and pepper, and then alfalfa sprouts, which we grew thanks to Ren and Ashley Chapman, who gave us the seedlings, and it took what, like maybe a week to finish growing. Then we have red cabbage chopped up, and we have a hoisin sauce, which is made of peanut butter, hoisin, which is like a molasses-based sauce with red peppers and garlic and all the good stuff. And then also hoisin sauce has sriracha and ginger and soy sauce, if I didn't already say that. So yeah, it's supposed to be, I think it's going to be a yummy dinner, and Rob's going to sear the mahi for maybe 3 to 5 minutes on the grill. And we're going to roll it up in rice paper, dipping it in the hoisin sauce, and we'll make for a yummy meal. I'm drinking my coffee this morning, watching the sun come up over the mountain of Eleuthera, northern Eleuthera. It's a gorgeous day. It's a little chilly. I'm about to go for a paddle.
How was the paddle, babe?
It was amazing. I saw all sorts of fish. I can't name them, but horseshoe crab. I met my first Eleutheran kitty, and he stuck out his paw to say hello. And I paddled around the cliff over there, and it just gets prettier. And the water's clear, the sun. It was nice waking up to the sun coming over the mountain, and then just jumping in this crystal clear water, and it doesn't get much better. We were so in love with Muttonfish Point anchorage that we stayed for a full week, just enjoying the sunrises, sunsets, and having the place to ourselves.
bathtubs. You can just get your saltwater soak on.
Whoa, whoa, hey little crab, hey little crab, little crab, hey little crab, hey little crab, little crab, hey little crab, hey little crab, little crab, hey. Come on. Hey little crab,
Hey, little crab. Little crab. If you haven't already noticed, something always needs repair on this old boat. Right now I'm repairing the luff on our staysail. Miles. Short little day sail.
Went to Rainbow Inn last night for Valentine's dinner and drinks, and that was really cool.
What did you think about the conch fritters?
Oh, the conch fritters were amazing. Those are the first conch fritters I've ever had, and they were get the conch fritters.
You've got to get the conch fritters.
Get the conch fritters.
The wind vane, which we named R2D2, is doing its thing. Here we come, Governor.
Give me a little drink from your loving cup. Just one drink, and I fall down drunk.
So today is organization day. We have the boat torn apart, and I've been getting rid of packing up our winter clothes, and as you can see, the boat is a disaster zone.
We brought a lot of stuff we didn't need, I think, and we were warned we were going to do this. But consolidating things, we've got these really nice bins based on like epoxy and solvents, electrical hardware. Each has its own bin. And since we've been cruising for the last 2 months, things have just been sporadically placed in wherever it wants to go. So now is housekeeping day. After we were invited on a boat last night, Rocinante, and didn't seem like they had a thing out of place. But it's really hot, and I'm looking forward to a swim.
Yeah.
After this. So today we are doing a total cooling system overhaul. When this engine was rebuilt, I'm not sure if they actually did an overhaul on the cooling system, but we're doing it on the raw water end of things and the freshwater end of things in the heat exchanger. But we're in the process right now of removing the coolant, draining the coolant, and then we're going to use a cleaning solution, just a regular cleaning solution that they use in you know, heavy-duty diesel trucks to flush diesel radiators and that sort of thing. So, and then once we get new coolant mixture back in the freshwater side of things, we will we'll use some barnacle buster, which was given to us. Both these chemicals were given to us by friends we met in the last couple weeks down here in the Bahamas. Crystal Blues is the name of their boat. They are just an amazing couple that have been sailing the world for the last 12 or 14 years or so. Anyway, he's a mechanical and electrical genius when it comes down to it. And they're both very intelligent people. But they gave us the barnacle buster and then the cleaning solution for the freshwater system, which hopefully will take care of an overheating problem. We can't really get beyond 2100 RPM without our temp getting to 190, 200, and we know that's not healthy for our diesel. So hopefully it's just a slight blockage that can be cleaned with these chemicals.
After a successful overhaul of the cooling system, we checked out some caves just south of the anchorage in Rock Sound Harbor.
And the barracuda?
That was what I saw when we were on the cliff. I saw that barracuda swimming.
Oh, I got you. I thought you were looking at something bigger.
Nobody likes a barracuda.
Join us next time as we hike to the highest point in the Bahamas, participate in a paddleboard race, feed a southern stingray, experience our first ever mutton festival, and jump off a cliff into Dean's Blue Hole in Long Island. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
What she said. She's supposed to say like.
Well, that was the thing. We're gonna just go to the sand where we say like. Don't you remember?
Well, that was an option.
Okay,
Or
we'll
we
do
have
it this way
100
too.
options.
And subscribe. Subscribe.
What she said.
Subscribe.
What she said.
One more time. Subscribe.
What she said.